Being an ex-abused wife, everything's taken away from you. Your life is taken away from you, your self-esteem, everything that makes a person is taken away from you. Being able to pick a book up without the worry of the book being thrown at me, or names, calling me names, making feel that I'm stupid. I'm not stupid. I'm not. I've got a good old head on me, which I found out going back through to education.
She came to Wales with sort of £2 in her pocket and nowhere to live, and from that then just sort of got into learning, and she's on her 3rd module now towards a psychology degree. She's just got a drive that I've never seen before in anybody. I mean, I think I've seen driven people before, but I've never seen anybody like Alison before, and that's amazing.
I'm not a little kid, I'm an adult, and now I can actually say I'm going to be in a professional boat because I put myself there. That's what education is all about.
Alison, congratulations. You really deserve this award. I've just been totally inspired by you and your story, and have a fantastic night and enjoy your moment of fame.
It's learnt me, it's learnt where I've come from, it's made me understand and understood what I've been through and how I've come out of it mentally by psychology. That's what I'm studying. And if it weren't for that, I'd be still sitting down wondering, oh, what about this and oh, what about that, and oh. I bugger the Owen bit. You don't get anywhere by Owen. No. This is what I've done. This is where I'm going.